you can physically alter the shape of a graph. Not all graphs. Next year when you're doing trigonometry, I do not believe you can. I could be wrong on that. There may be a way. But to do this, with your touchpad, hover over the vertex down here. This is the vertex. And you want to see this icon here with a cross there when it says equation plot. When it's like that, click and hold it for a couple seconds, and you're going to get on your calculator, you will have a little hand. I don't have the hand, but with that, you can then, using the touchpad, move your graph wherever you want. As you move it, you notice the numbers changing, okay? You're able to do that when you want to stop. All you do is click in the middle and you're free to move, all right? So you hover over it until you get this icon, and I'm using the word icon, I don't know what to call it, but the cursor looks like that. Hold this button down in the center for a couple seconds, let up, and then just start moving with your finger. And notice how the numbers change. We can also click, when we have this cursor look like this, we can click, hold in the center for a couple of seconds, let go, and then you can move your graph like this. Notice here that the only number changing is that leading coefficient. And I can go, and I can drop it over the other way. Now notice the leading coefficient is negative. It's positive. And then you want to get off of it, just click the center. I want to move this. Again, we want that cursor to look like that. You click in the center, hold it for a couple of seconds, and then you can move it around. Notice that the leading coefficient doesn't change, the other numbers change. Now I'm going to look at doing this with a line. So I'm going to type in an equation and get rid of this. In a similar way, we can play with our line. If you click, hold on. Okay. If you move over the equation, so you get your similar icon as you see here, you click and hold in the center for 2 seconds, you're going to get your hand, and then with the hand, you can move up or down. And you see that the slope stays the same, but you see how the y-intercept is changing. And then click, and you're out of it. Also, if you hover over it, and you get this, your cursor looking like the arrows here, curved arrows, circular, you click and hold, and then you can change the slope. Negative slope, almost 0, and we have positive slope. And when we are vertical, then it should blow up the graph, but I guess we can't make it exactly vertical. So you're able to manipulate these graphs and have a little fun in the process.